Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Buraque's Code and Tech. Today in this video we will discuss about a small project in C programming language which is about how to declare a number is positive or a negative. How to know about a number is positive or a negative. So first of all we have used hash include studio.h library which is going to run our main function. Then we have used while main void main function. After that we have make a block or we have used braces, small middle braces, and then we have declared a number variable num. Then I have used a terminator. After that printf will give an output which we have written on the console. Then scanf function will take input from a user that I have used %d. %d is the specifier of int, and then I have used comma. After that we have used ampersand number num. This is the variable num that I have declared in the ampersand num. That will take us input from our user or from us. If num is greater than 0, we are saying we are giving a statement to a function. If num is greater than 0, print %d is a positive number \n num. That it should print %d means a num is greater than, which we have, if is greater than 0, which we have declared a num, which we have give output to the user. If it is greater than 0, it is positive. Else if num is less than 0, if the num we have given is less than 0, then it is negative. Else printf 0 is neither positive nor negative. If we are putting 0, if we are giving the scanf function 0, it will print neither positive nor negative. We are going to run this project. First of all we have to save this project num.c. .c is the extension of any C programming project, C programming file, any C programming program. To use the program we have to give the extension .c. Save. It will run. It will print on console, show on console. Enter a number 12. 12 is positive number. If we are giving next time, if we are giving negative number, -15. -15 is a negative number. If we are trying to putting 0, it will print neither positive neither negative, because 0 is neither positive neither negative. 0 is neither positive nor negative. Okay, here is a program you can use from here, from my video. I am going to share this on description. You can take from there.